Back to where we was at. Soul Brother Cap in the house. Man, what ranking are you? How long you been in Soul Brothers, man?
Second generation.
Second generation?
All my life.
God damn. You heard that?
Straight out the shaft.
Straight out the shaft.
Straight out the shaft.
Into the vest. That's how I did it. One and only. You on the ground, Cap. Man, you was an FLHT rider from the gate. What you think about the glide life?
No. I was a road king. I started out on the road king.
A road king, and then
I moved to the FLHT. Now I'm doing my glide thing now.
So you've experienced 3 scenarios. What scenario best fits your style of riding?
I like the road glide for longevity, going far. I like the road glide. I don't know. I got a hankering for all of them now, really.
Okay.
My standard is gonna be my runner. You know.
Oh, so you saying you doing a 3-way right about now? You working on it?
Yeah, I'm doing a 3-way right about now.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to do a 3-way.
You're trying to do a 3-way.
God willing, you know what I'm saying? I'm able to. I'm gonna do a 3-way. I'm a road king, gonna be my play toy. My standard gonna be my runner.
Yeah.
And my yonder bike is gonna be right here.
Okay. Well, speaking of that road king, man, that road king is a recovery of a previous life, man. You say you're gonna leave it the way it was?
I'm leaving it just like that. The only thing I did was take the fairing off of it to open the nose up, but that's it. Ain't too much gonna change.
I done been on the set a few times, and I people walk up to me and say, "Man, where that soul brother that ride that bike?" I'm just like, "Oh, he sold that." Well, I guess it never left. It's back again.
My homeboy had it. I'll let him use it for a while.
Okay. Pass it back and forth. Okay. He's back in the game.
Yeah,
all right. I'm just doing an interview, letting people see what I see. I know a few people. Few people know me. We just talking, socializing, My man T gonna work on the door handles because he about to fall off. So we're gonna work it out. Oh yeah, do's and don'ts about your cutlasses. He went and saw them peoples. And they did him wrong, peoples. As soon as he let the top down, he broke that shit. It was bad. See that stroke right there? For people who have convertibles, old schools, beware of the cut right there. You gotta look behind there because it can be detrimental to the person who installed this because it costing people some money to buy this man new strokes. The magnets hit the speaker. The front one survived okay, but they ended up buying them new sheet metal, new seat belts. Oh man. So, for installers out there who are doing jobs, you gotta sometimes look behind what you're cutting into because it may look good until you actually cut something and then you find out, damn it. Just a tip of the day. Money's Car Stereo. Letting you see what I see. Y'all got one fresh in. He say his stock system stopped working. Look what he got up in here. A game of exposed wires plus a pyramid equalizer. Man, it's equalizer amp. Power equalizer. One go to beat. This is back from the 80s or so? Back from the 80s. Flea market. Hey, well, we finna upgrade him. My man said, Rob, he heard about me through a friend of a friend. We time to get it in, man. Hey, don't look in the bottom of the thing. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm just saying, y'all know how to end that, man. We gotta go. I was just looking at what was in this fairing. A pyramid equalizer booster, along with some pile driver blue label 3-ways, which are definitely a blatant copy of a Pioneer. This bike, when I say has been ridden as a daily rider. 6-speed, the air breather is off the hook. Forks, little road rash right here, character marks, Let me see, when it came over the other day, the headlight wouldn't pop on. Okay, it's on. But I'm curious to see how many miles this thing got. Miles, let me press the button here. Okay, B. What's that? 94,213. Looking at it, it looks to be all stock. It don't sound too much like nothing. Got a primary leak over here. Nah, that's from the oil filter area. Yeah, that part. But this is definitely a get on it and go machine. This would look like when you ride hard, man. I'm telling you. Riding hard. But he just needed a radio with extra features. So, like I say, we back at it again. So, you know.
Keep a quarter on me, backpack in the Benz. My diamond life feature, bitch, I'm yellow bees. Ice out in this freezer, just cop the Luigi. Don't take it easy, you tripping, I'm leaving. I drank in the freezer, this shit don't come easy. I'm trapping, I mean it.
Definitely a highway setup for him. Had a few ideas how to keep the radio from getting wet. I think I'm gonna start stocking some marine stereos. I'm getting a few more questions a lot of the time about this. But hey, interfering and seeing some better days. But yeah, like I said, this is a rider, a daily driver. Rain, sleet, or snow, gotta go. Let's get it in scenario. Yeah. That ain't gonna clean up. But yeah, my man said he'd ride it every day. But look at that thunderhead. I'm gonna look in my stack of Harley Gold. That's a shortcut for AK extra parts bin. See if I can find him a floorboard. I think I may got one from my stock stuff for my bike. I'm just gonna donate that to the cause. Bag lid bit it. Oh man, let me think. Is there a way to hold this on here? Not really. It clips up here. I'm gonna look under there and see. Money's car stereo. Back at it again. Live and direct at Money's car stereo. Man, I got a question. I looked at the bike and I got to looking around. I said, man, this must be his daily rider. And you told me it's 24/7 on the ground for you. Mm-hmm. So my question is this: at the miles of 94,213, any motor work done?
No.
Nada? Just a thunderheader and just some with air cleaner you got left over right there?
Yeah.
So this is all day, every day on the ground?
All the way back and forth to the city all the time. Every day, pretty much, yeah.
So it is doable, huh, to get that kind of miles on a hard Davidson? Because a lot of
man.
when you ride, are you riding like you got sense, or are you just on it, or are you just riding?
I'm on it.
You own it?
I'm on it.
And this is a
90. I beat the fuck out of this thing, bro.
You beat the fuck out of it. It's a 96? Only what size motor is this?
Yeah.
A 96. And it's a 2007, you say?
Yeah.
Man, I am impressed.
But you don't have nothing done to it. It's totally stock, right?
Yeah.
That's probably why.
Yeah, I told if you ride like I asked questions, do you ride like you stole? He said pretty much, I beat the fuck out of it, and it's still there. So
yeah, thing's a fucking tank.
Yeah, and it's holding together. So as I told you, I said I'm gonna look in the Harley area back there, and I told you, I said, hey, I probably got these for you.
Right
so
on,
bam,
Thank
there you go, and you got an extra one over there because it will do me no good having one.
Right on.
And so that'll get you in there. I hadn't got a chance to see if I had an air cleaner. What happened to your air cleaner? Why did it come off?
It just fell off, man.
So the 3 screw holes are still there for where it went, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I believe it's stripped out though. That's why it fell off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because I was gonna look in the back when you got here.
So then I, with called Harley. I go, hey man, I need a air cleaner for 07 Street Glide. Oh, we don't make them no more.
Yeah, they like obsoleted part. We ain't got nothing for you on that, buddy.
Yeah. So.
But yeah. So okay, well
yeah, just gotta find it now for aftermarket.
Let me I'm gonna look I'm in the back room over there and see something. I think I know where I keep air cleaning parts at one box over there. I'm gonna take a look because I have a 16, and so I really don't have parts used for this bike.
If you have just a stock one, I'll throw that back on and just fucking
put insert in there. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look and see. Once again, Money's Car Stereo. Me and my man Dave, man, he on the ground making it happen. And so we're gonna see what we can do for him over here. Let me see something.
See what happened with the
Y'all, I got another one. Done this one, back in 03, 04. Back when we were using the Hytron amps. Oh, we blurry. Back when we was using the Hytrons. And yeah, my man washes the bike a little too liberally. And this deck is not a marine deck, as you say. It's foggy. Gonna put that Sony up in their marine radio. And this was put in a long time ago, back when there were no dashboard kits. Where is it at? Yeah. Who remember these days? We're gonna put it back the way it was. But we're gonna bring some hand controls to his life, possibly. Find out why the amp ain't coming on. And do some upgrading. But I see somebody already been in here. Put some mid-range tweeters up in here. Some looks to be MB quartz or something. Yeah, MB quartz. So we're gonna keep that in effect. Turn it on, see how it sounds. Give him a call as we make every move. You know, that way he knows what's going on. You can't spend somebody money without them giving them your okay. So first step is get this wet radio up out of here. Let's keep it going. Hey, well, we in hold on, watch the TV over here. Pause this. You know, we always on some black people TV over here, BET all day, every day. Something black orientated. So we brought him into the.
Let's have a good time in ecstasy. When you're in out next to me. Ecstasy, yeah. When you're in out next to me.
Well, we upgraded Big Bob to the Bluetooth, USB. What they say over here, Soul Brothers, be about it or be without it. You know, Soul Brothers, life forever, Soul Brothers, you know how they get down. We're gonna put the fairing on. So far, it's just a deck and the front tweeters. We're gonna check them 6.5s. We can survive with that amp we've been using for the last 15 years. You know, he ain't trying to rule the world, but he's trying to make it clear on the freeway where you can hear him. You know, I think we can do that, you know. And he ain't never, ever, ever had hand controls. I'm glad the wires were still there. Money's Car Stereo. Once again, it's on! Yeah, we got another one in. About to get it in on a fresh rewire. He been down and out for a minute. Need to get touched up and solve some of these things. So we gonna make it happen. Or shall we say, make it do what it do. Definitely more presentable. Yeah, anything we see along the way, we're gonna reach out and touch them pieces too. Money's Car Stereo on the move. That's right. I know I've been lagging. People have been asking me, hey Rob, when you gonna make them wire harnesses for the bikes? Well, I said to myself today, after I just rewired another bike, he's up in there like that, exits out over here, comes out here, jumps here, comes into the bag, jumps out into this plug, feeds off to here, right over there. Jumps over here, comes out in. He got it going on to his other speakers over here. This stuff was already here, so I'm just bringing it back to life. So, you know, hit me up, tell me your scenarios, send me some pictures. We're gonna figure it out and get it in motion. Money's Car Stereo. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Hit me up for your wiring needs. We're gonna figure this shit out together. My bad. the link. We're gonna figure this out together. Rose, I remember y'all. Send me a picture if y'all ain't got that problem solved already. I think I'm ready to go. Keep you neat and clean under that seat. And bam, cross over there, cross over there. Hit me up. We'll see if we can figure it out. Money's Car Stereo, 650-906-8878. And we can get you on. This one right here, it's been off for a while. He just transplanted the motor onto him. And, ooh, got an old Clarion. Plus, we're working on some video ideals. That's all I got to say about that. So many people know what I'm talking about. But anyway, see what we got here.
I'm thinking large, talking old money, you go to bars. Blue sound 20, futuristic move when it's parked. It's Gucci. Oh my God.
On just like that. So, like I said, we back at it again. Money's Car Stereo. We trying to be a little bit of here, a little bit of there, a little bit of everywhere. Make it happen for you. Once again, Money's Car Stereo. I'm gonna get in the wire harness game. Holla at me. We're gonna talk it out, work it out. Gotta go. Once again, 650-906-8878. Follow me on Instagram under Big Money Rob. Big Money Rob's Car Stereo. Follow me on Facebook, Robert Gibson. Also that group, Money's Car Stereo. And on YouTube under Big Money Rob. You can see the latest and greatest video productions for your day-to-day stuff. Hit me on that line, that Instagram and Facebook from day-to-day updates. We out. This is how it should look underneath the seat. Exiting here, coming along here, fuse jumps out here, there's your hot, there's your ground. Exiting over here, oh, secure it here, here, and here to keep it close to the wall. Send it up and over to there, drops it there. Same thing over here.